What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage today. I'm back at TurboTech headquarters here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the lovely Chattanooga, Tennessee. And I am bringing to you guys the 2011 BMW 328 XDrive with a 6-speed manual. A few people caught a glimpse of this when I was up here last and did some videos. And yeah, this is a rare bird right here, folks. You do not see many wagons, but you definitely don't see many 6-speed manual wagons or 5-speed manual. This is a special car. It really is. This is a 2-owner car here out of Tennessee. No accidents. Very impressive. Good Carfax. Got good service history on there. Well maintained. No funny warning lights other than stupid tire pressure I mean, every car you buy these days, that stupid light's on. One of the batteries is dead in the front tires, I believe, so we got to get that fixed. This, I can't remember if I showed you guys when I did some walking around up here last, if I showed this wagon and showed a glimpse of the damage it had on this door. It looked like a pterodactyl had taken its claws to the door. You know, it was really an odd wound. You could tell it wasn't caused by another car or anything like that. I think maybe they must have had some sort of contact with, you know, like that landscaping box per se, or you know, something on the road or in a parking lot. But we took it to our paint DNR guy, whatever, Paintless dent removal guy. Yeah, not dead on arrival, but PDR guy. And man, he was able to work that thing out, work his magic, and make it look brand new again. And he did have to use a little bit of paint, which we were really disappointed in, because we're going to try and get this car on Bring a Trailer. It's just that nice. I'm telling you, it has not been washed. It has not been cleaned. This is exactly how we got it from the auction a couple of weeks ago. But he did have to use a little bit of little paint work. But God, you can't tell it. I mean, it is the dead-on match if I've ever seen one. The best one I've ever seen. This is, with it being an 11, it's 3.5 years into the BMW 3 Series model cycle. So it's the most updated 3 Series you could get in this generation. Comes with all the options: sport package, sport steering wheel, panoramic roof, navigation. It's even got the little rear sunshades. I mean, it's, you know, it's got everything. It's loaded. I'm sure you could opt out for like an M Sport package, which would have been really nice. That would have added a lot of value to this car. But hey, we'll take what we can get. This thing is super uber clean. And according to the Carfax, this was a Germany order, go pick up and bring back type deal. What do they call that? European delivery option? Yeah. So, and there's some kind of, you know, odd stickers like that one around the car that are all in German that you would think would be in English if the car was, you know, dedicated US version. It is a USA version, but I don't know. But anyway, Carfax says imported over through the program, so we're rolling with that. You know, it's got the nice LED HID headlamps. They're all in good shape. Not really any bug chips or dents or anything to speak of. It just needs cleaning. It needs to be washed and detailed. We've got this kind of German looking sticker here. Not real sure if that's like, I have no idea. Maybe an inspection sticker. Who knows? Somebody knows, tell me. Damn, comment. Got the kick-ass seats, comfort access. I mean, this thing's clean. This is how we got it from the auction. Oh, I left the ignition on. The radio's playing. Oops. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to take a test drive in this thing. This could get interesting. Alright, let me get the radio off so we don't get copyrighted. Let's see. It has a knob. Holy crap. Ooh, baby. She just fires right to life. As smooth as silk. And I tell you what, to be 10-year-old navigation, that is damn good navigation. I mean, it's even got a picture of the damn mountain right here. Signal Mountain or Lookout Mountain. It's got the topography. I mean, and there's the river. I mean, that's cool navigation right there. We got our heated seats. What's also nice about this car is none of the buttons show any wear. Okay, you know how common it is for these BMWs to show wear on the fan buttons, the push button, you know, the heated seat button, all the hieroglyphics or whatever the hell you call it, all the, you know, instrumentation and writing and ink and all that good stuff is not worn down. Window switches, headlight switches. 104,426. Man, I mean, gosh, this car is so smooth. I gotta pop the hood. I mean, the inline six, quick revving, smooth as hell. I mean, this thing's just a baby doll to drive. Just a baby doll. My brother's a big boy at about 310, 315 on the pounds, 6'3". You ought to see him riding in this thing. Like a linebacker squeezed in there. But he absolutely loves driving this car. He was like, if this car was just a little bit roomier up here in the knee area, he would keep the car for himself because he loves to drive it, but he knows he can't. We gotta move her on to the next person. If it doesn't go and bring a trailer, we're gonna shoot for cars and bids, but I'll post let's try it, guys. I'll post a video. Ooh, that's third. Okay, let's try that again. There we go, there's first. Hell, the thing is, it was going to pull third. So I'll let you guys know when it hits. Or if anybody's interested in it and wants to make an offer, I mean, it really is just an honest, good 328 XI. It doesn't make any funny sounds, no weird noises, no clunking, you know, it's not leaking anything, not leaking a drop of anything. And if you're a BMW guy, you know these 328 XI, the four-wheel drive system, can be a little complex and a little finicky. Someone was telling me, like, the front drive shaft on the driver's side actually runs through the oil pan. So, you know, there are some little BMW crazy ass tricks with some of the mechanicals. But everything on this car is just spot on. Literally, the only thing we could find was the little bit of damage that was on that door. And like I said, I'll try to include a picture of it in here. And the TPMS light, that's it. I mean, that was it. No, it cold starts perfectly, it hot starts perfectly, it doesn't leak anything, doesn't smoke. mean, that 6-cylinder is just hallelujah, baby, hallelujah. And I mean, it's just tight as a drum. It's actually a little too hard for me. It's a little too sporty for me. But somebody wanting a sporty car in a wagon, oh my God, this would be a dream come true to many people. It drives dead straight. No knocking, clunking, nothing feels loose. It's just a phenomenal 10-year-old wagon with just over 100,000, 104. That's probably going to hurt the value a little bit, you know. If it was an 80,000 mile one, you know, it would probably do 25 grand to bring a trailer. But, you know, it's a 104,000 mile one. Still just as damn good, probably even cleaner. But, you know, it's going to sell at a better price point than, you know, what some people pay. I saw, let's see, what was it? There was a real unusual blue M Sport version of this car sell on Bring a Trailer. It had 71,000 miles, so it had 30,000 less miles. It brought almost $39,000. Now, could you imagine that? And hey, I'll say it looked damn good with that M Sport package. It sure as heck did. Beautiful wheels and packaging. I mean, it looked great. But, you know, you're really paying for paint and some special wheels, paying big time. But I imagine that's a pretty rare model. I'm going to get it out here on the interstate a little bit and get it up to speed, and we'll pick back up there. Getting on the interstate, it looks a little choked up. I was hoping to be able to get her up to some speed, but we may not be able to. It's Friday. It's pushing 2 o'clock. This is when traffic out here gets just a little hairy and, well, rather nightmarish. Yeah, this sucks. I was hoping for a freeway blast. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause it while I try and get over. Well, here we are, 20 miles an hour on the freeway, and it's as far as I can see. You know what? I'm gonna get off at this exit right up here, and it looks like the other side is moving pretty good, and I'll shoot back up that way and get us a nice little freeway clip. I'll be right back. What a brilliant car. That's 4th gear, 80 miles an hour. Man, what a car. I feel like it would pull for days and days and days and days. Ooh. I wish I could take this one home and drive her for a week or so, but we got some money tied up in this one, and actually it makes me nervous every time I even get in it to drive it. I'm afraid I'm going to hit something or hit somebody or get hit, you know, fucking wreck it. So yeah, we've been we both have been trying to keep our hands off of it. I think my brother's gotten the most action out of it. Well, I know he has, because I don't live in freaking Chattanooga anymore. It's an hour away from me now. I don't get up here as much anymore. Oh, what a cool car, man. Shifter is just accurate and just mean, it does not have any slop or slack. It is just dead on, and the clutch is just amazing. It is so light. It releases just at the right spot, not near the top, about, I'd say 60% up. It releases and starts grabbing a gear. Oh, what a fun car to drive. Just a fun car to drive. Well, guys, I'm gonna cut you loose on this one. 2011 BMW 328 Xi with the inline naturally aspirated 6, about 230 or 40 horsepower. I'm not real sure. Someone correct me on that. This car's for sale, guys. We're gonna detail it. Maybe get an oil change, service. I mean, even though it's, maintenance is not due yet, we could still get it serviced and just get it cleaned up real good. It's got good Continental tires all the way around. They're wearing pretty well. I would say there's about 60 or 70% tread left on them. And just other than a TPS light, I mean, she's ready to go. I mean, there's no excuses on this car. She is that nice. Unbelievably two-owner, no accident, Southern-owned car. I mean, can't beat it, man. Can't beat it. Like, subscribe, comment. I reply to all comments. I appreciate y'all stopping by today, and we'll see you next time. Peace.